Hello students of class 12. I hope you all are will be fine and you have also concentrate on study. Okay. So today let's start from book Vistas chapter 4. You know the enemy. It's written by Pearl Sedantriker Buck. Okay. It is also a story about humanity. Okay. You know mercy is the best quality of human beings and whatever means taken place in the heart of Sadao. Okay. So let's start the story. Sadao was a Japanese boy. He had gone America for study. Okay, he was a surgeon. After getting his study, he became surgeon, and he also started to serving the society. Okay, and that time it is the time duration of the story is the time of World War II. That time World War II, everywhere means spread much more struggle, fighting, those things, and means Sadao's duty for the serving the army soldiers of Japan, and he was that time particularly for the tending a general officer, old general officer who was near to deathbed. Okay, he was treating him, and that time during his study he met a girl Hana who was Japanese girl, and he had decided to marry, and he had married with her, Hana. At that time, one day, the story means taken a, you can say, turning point when Sadao met an injured Navy person, soldier, who was injured by gunshot, okay, during that World War. And means Sadao's house was near to seashore, and that person was coming at evening time with the, you can say, wave of the water of that time seashore. And Sadao was wandering there. He was seeing like the mist, anything is coming towards him. Okay. स्टूडेंट, ये स्टोरी जो है ये मानवता पर आधारित है, जिसमें सदाओं ने मानवता का वो किया है, उसने उस मानवीय गुणों का पालन किया है। जैसे कि कहा जाता है कि जो लोग दुश्मन होते हैं उनके साथ जो है हमारा ट्रीटमेंट अलग होता है, लेकिन इस स्टोरी में सदाओं ने बहुत सोच समझकर, क्योंकि वो एक डॉक्टर सर्जन भी था, उसने बहुत अच्छे से उस नेवी आर्मी सोल्जर के साथ ट्रीट किया है। तो यही डिस्कशन है इस पूरे चैप्टर में। ओके, एंड यू हैव टू रीड लाइन टू लाइन बिकॉज मीन्स एग्जैक्ट बेस क्वेश्चंस मे बी कम फ्रॉम एनीवेयर, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू समरी। ओके, when Sadao have seen that soldier who was coming there injuring condition, and he was also means coming like the reptiles, okay, and means sinking there, then means Sadao and his wife both were there. Hana was waiting Sadao, and Sadao had then means after seeing treated him, even he was American and he was enemy side soldier, but Sadao had means treat him affectionately and mercifully. He had treated him and given means done whatever effort he had to do as a surgeon, he have done. But Hana was also refused for doing it, and overall servants of Sadao also want to leave Sadao to that time, because that was person who was coming was from enemy side, so they have fear about it. And Sadao's gardener also was suggesting for leaving that injured Navy person. And after a long time, he was in the custody of Sadao, and Sadao had kept that person at his home. And he was not also want to save his life, and he had decided one time with the means discussion of his wife, he will kill him means on his sleep. But means humanity increases in his heart and mind, and he had decided to save the life of that person. Okay, he had talked to his general also. He has also means suggested him for sending any person for killing him, but they have not done as. Okay, after that Sadao's wife also become so merciful, and she had also much more eye care of that soldier, and in this way that soldier means improving his health day by day. Okay, students, today I am going to discuss about an incident from Ramayana. रामायण में आपने देखा था कि लक्ष्मण को जब शक्ति बाण लगी थी, उसके बाद जब हनुमान जी सुखेन को लाए थे, तो सुखेन के सामने भी यही प्रॉब्लम थी कि वो एनिमी साइड के हैं, तो उनको कैसे ट्रीट करें. बट यू नो इट इज द you can say duty of a doctor or a surgeon. If any patient in front of them, he have to treat it, and he have to treat that person at anyhow. It is the duty. So as done by the Sadao also. सदाव ने भी उस इनमी साइड के अमेरिकन सोल्जर के साथ ऐसी मानवतापूर्ण व्यवहार किया और उसको बहुत अच्छे से आई केयर किया. उनकी पत्नी जो थी हाना, उन्होंने भी कोऑपरेट किया सब कुछ. और इसके बाद जब वो धीरे धीरे ठीक होने लगा, तो सदाओं की प्रॉब्लम बढ़ती गई कि लोग जानेंगे इनके बारे में तो मेरे साथ भी दूसरे ढंग से वो होगा, ब्लेम होगा, मुझे भी पनिशमेंट मिलेगा, मेरी गवर्नमेंट को पता लगेगा. तो मीन्स आफ्टर मीन्स डिस्कसिंग, आफ्टर थिंकिंग अबाउट दोज प्रॉब्लम, Sadao also become much more worried. At last he had decided, means he will send that person at anyhow alive, means to their native land. Okay, and जब वो पर्सन ठीक होने लगा, उसके बाद उन्होंने उससे बात की और उसको by the sea way he had returned back to him, means for his country, and he have loaded on that ship a lot of things, whatever you know, needable things for that person, eatable things, and whatever helping him. And in this way, the sum up of this chapter, we can say that means the enemy in this chapter means no one is our enemy. If means by the humanity we will think that everyone is as the brother, and brotherhood feelings came inside the heart of Sadao that time. Okay, means a lot of poetries, a lot of chapters we have learned. On that we have seen that means whole the mankind is like the brother and sister who is on the earth, because no one will remain. Whatever we have done, our behavior, our character is very important, and it is human quality to be helping nature. We should help, we should be merciful towards each other, and Sadao have done, and he have also fulfilled his responsibility, his duty as a doctor, as a surgeon, as a human beings also. Okay, so means whatever you know, means humanity, be merciful. Okay, thanks.